Today we're going to talk about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, unlike personal pronouns, are used to refer to something or someone that doesn't need to be specifically referred to. Indefinite pronouns are split between those used with singular nouns and those used with plural nouns. Now, there are way too many indefinite pronouns for me to list all of them here, but let's look at some examples. If I were to say, "Everyone in class has such great plans for the weekend," I'm using a singular indefinite pronoun. If I were to say, "I need to find something to eat," I'm still using a singular indefinite pronoun. But if I say, "I can't decide which ice cream flavor to get, let's just get both," I'm using a plural indefinite pronoun. Something to remember is that some indefinite pronouns are singular with non-count nouns and plural with count nouns. Watch out for those ones.